Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Anand Ali and today we will start our new course on cloud computing. So first we will look introduction of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the practice of using remote servers on the internet for carrying out a task rather than using your own computers or server. In cloud computing, we use our internet, and our internet we do our tasks. We use our device, but we are not using our device specs. We are using that specs which we have, which we are using from cloud on internet, like this. We can we are using our computers or servers to use cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of various services over the internet, including storage, databases, servers, networking, softwares, and analytics. If you use any like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Amazon, so its meaning is already you are using cloud computing because all are the categories in cloud computing. Because in this you are using internet and all these data of that big websites are coming from that databases, and databases are created by cloud computing. It allows users and businesses to access and manage computing resources and data from remote servers rather than on local hardware or personal devices. In cloud computing, you have an hard disk or storage, you have hard disk or storage on internet. If your system or machine is damaged, you can access your any data from your any other new machine or mobile. Like you are using your laptop and your laptop is lost anywhere, and your all data was there in that hard disk. So it is impossible to back up your data. But if you are using cloud storage, so you can access your any data from anywhere with your other machine. So this is the function of cloud computing. So now benefits of cloud computing are little or no investment. Here just we have to invest very little bit money. It's affordable, and more focus on app development and requires a less workforce, and we don't have to give our too much time here, and we are free and relaxed. We don't have too much pressure in cloud computing. These are the cloud products like Google Drive, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Netflix, Prime Video are the cloud big service products. So these are cloud computing models like deployment models and service models. Public, private, and hybrid clouds are deployment models, and infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service are the service models. So what is public cloud? So first we will discuss about here public cloud. Public cloud is defined as computing services offered by third-party providers over the public internet, making them available to anyone who wants to use or purchase them. Like this, that services are delivered over the public internet and shared across organizations. In this in this type of cloud, the access is to everyone, any organization, any person, any group, everyone has access to this. That examples are its examples are that AWS, uh, Azure, and GCP. AWS is Amazon Web Service, and Azure is the Microsoft product, and GCP is Google product. These all are big cloud platforms. Then is our private cloud. Private cloud refers to a model of cloud computing where IT services are provisioned over private IT infrastructures over the dedicated use of a single organization. Like services are maintained on a private network, offering higher control and security They can be hosted on premises or by a third party provider. In private cloud, the access to only that person would have who are using this cloud, meaning private cloud. It's not public, meaning we anyone can't use it until without permission. So private cloud is for for personal uses like this. We can use the private cloud. Then is our hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a cloud computing environment that uses a mix of on-premises private clouds and third-party public cloud services with orchestration between two platforms. Like it is the combine of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them are greater flexibility and optimization. That's it. We use hybrid cloud. So now here is service model. Now we will learn about service models LAS, meaning in its IaaS, IaaS, meaning infrastructure as a service. This is the, it is here only one S, this is extra S, it's printed by mistake. Here is just L, double A and S, this is extra S. So infrastructure as a service refers to providing the complete access to the server, OS, meaning operating system. Typically, IaaS provides hardware, storage, servers, and data center space and networks component. It may also include software. So in this cloud like service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Example include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. These are the examples of infrastructure as a service. In infrastructure as a service, we have a hardware, storage, and servers. In this, we have our storage on a server like our this is our server and here is a lot of storage. This is by used by infrastructure as service. Now platform as a service, PaaS. In platform as a service, one does not get access to the whole operating system. Rather, access is given at dashboard level where a user uploads the data and the rest is taken care by the cloud provider. In platform as a in infrastructure as a service, every work the user have to do maintenance and everything the user have to handle. But in platform as a service, we have just access to a dashboard where we can upload our things, our data, and that all handling would be the access of cloud computing, meaning we just have to upload our data and we have to be relaxed because all our handling and safety of our data will be done by the cloud like services providers. So now our third service model is software as a service. Software as a service refers to the practice of directly providing the software to the customer without making any server or dashboard available to them. Deliver software application over the internet on a subscription basis. Example include Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, and Salesforce. This is software as a service. In this, we have only like softwares. Here is refers to the practice of directly providing the software to the customer. We just get a little bit access. We can just view the dashboard and just this is to access to the users, to the customers. Like Facebook is, we have just access to the dashboard and we can upload our files. Otherwise, we cannot change the code of the Facebook. Everything is handled by the Facebook like providers and managers. So now here is types of cloud computing services. So as you can see, infrastructure as services, platform as a services, software as a services. These three are too much important. And from this, infrastructure as a services is the main focus of our this course. So these are some extra. We can just read them. It's not necessary to understand. Identity as a service. IDaaS, security as a services, container as a service, and function as a service. These are two services provided by cloud services. So it's not too much important. So here's a table of cloud computing separation of responsibilities in cloud. So these are all the responsibilities of the cloud computing by these three service models. Now we will come here. Major cloud providers: IBM, Google Cloud Platform, OpenStack, AWS, Azure, and Alibaba Cloud are the major cloud providers. And AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, these are three top cloud providers. First is AWS, then Microsoft Azure, then Google Cloud Platform. So key advantages of cloud computing are key benefits. Like scalability, resources can be scaled up or down based on demand. Cost efficiency, reduce the cost of purchasing and maintaining hardware and software. Accessibility, provide access to application and data from any location with an internet connection. Flexibility offers a range of services that can be customized to fit specific needs. Disaster recovery and backup provides data redundancy and disaster recovery solutions. I told the short form of all these advantages. Otherwise, I have which benefits I told, everything is written here. Just I have did short and told you. And cloud computing offers 24 by 7 uptime, meaning 99.99% uptime, meaning is 24 by 7 meaning 24-hour online, meaning day and night, every time cloud computing services are online. So we can use our cloud at any time, at night time to at daytime too, because it is online for 24 hours, and it is reliable and it is safe too, and any our data, all our data would be secure in the cloud. So thank you guys in this video. All this met. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.